It's my favorite day again, playing with toys. They are definitely toys today. Today I just wanted to go crawl. And as usual, I'm also testing out some stuff. And today's docket is a motor, which is a 4-pole sensorless and a Castle ESC. So I'm just really wondering, how bad is the low speed control and how noisy is it? Low speed control's not bad for sensorless. And the noise actually isn't that bad. We've got some dude mowing the next yard over that you're probably hearing a lot more than everything else. If I can get past this, there we are. Yeah, so low speed control is not great, but it is 2700 kV running on 3S and sensorless. So you got to give it some credit that it's actually working. Whee! Well, that hooked in real nice, didn't it? Oh, too much. Yes. All right, once more. All right, so right off the gate, I can tell you that low speed control is certainly workable for the average basher, the average just trail guy. But as you can see, getting into the tough spots, it's given me a little bit of control issues. Normally I'd just be able to walk right up this, honestly. But that's what testing is for. You know, I'm pushing the bounds of what I know to be good and intentionally installing essentially things that I would normally never run. Yeah, you see that shuddering, you see that shaking, maybe is the body panel vibrating on that side? It's just a rough idle, man. My second cylinder, I think, has got some compression issues. Yeah, I mean, it could be worse, it could be better. Boink. It's still working. I'm relatively impressed about this. And it's also not noisy, which is pretty nice. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Oh, she's gonna fall. Yeah. There we are. Yeah, I don't know. I'd really recommend a combo like this, honestly. Oh dear, oh dear. Well, good thing we were buckled in. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? Would you run a combo like this? Something that didn't have the greatest low speed control, but maybe let's just say it's a budget choice. Yeah, we're wrapped up on these scale vines. Would you run something like this, even though it's got some low idle problems here? It's still tractable. It's still controllable. Certainly more controllable than what we see in some stock systems. Woo! Ha ha! Yeah, I meant to do that. Here we are. Yeah, I don't think I would install this in my own rigs though. Not like this at least. I would want sensors or maybe a higher pole count to work a little more reliably sensorless. But again, I want to hear your interpretation of this. You see it shuddering here at low speed. You see me having to give her a little more throttle than what I would like to give to get through a section. So I do want to know whether you would consider this good enough. I'm sure for the right price. Sure, for the right price, you would likely consider it. For the right price, I would consider it. You know, maybe something for my kid's rig or something. Or something. And everything like that. So we've been rocking this Mamba Micro X and this motor, which is simply a prototype motor. Simply a 4-pole prototype. We've been rocking it at low speed for a really long time now. I would like to check our temperatures. So let's come do that. Come here, little rig. Whee! Woo! Must be hung up down there. You know what'll solve that is some wheel speed. Oh, that's sensorless. It just, ugh. There we go. I really don't like bashing my rigs like this. It's got a decent drag brake. I don't even remember what I have the drag brake set on. All right, motor. She's hardly warm. Yes, see? Hardly warm. I mean, for stalling it out in the rocks, a whole bunch. And I'm assuming you could pretty much get the same results with whatever cheap 4-poles are out there. You know, the ones that say that they're tuned for low speed control and have terrible startup. There's quite a few of those on the market. You know, rock crawler motors. I shouldn't hate though. People that don't rock crawl, they think they start up good, and I beg to differ though in most cases. All of the rock crawler motors that I have tested that are the, let's just call them no-name brand, or brands that like to simply copy the work of other companies, I've been sorely disappointed with those. Big name brands, they seem to, you know, at least somewhat know what they're doing. But that's not what this video is about today. I'm just out here having fun, testing out a combo with which I would typically never run. It's certainly doing though, for regular trail runs, like I said. Regular trail running. If you're not getting really bound down in the rocks, there's absolutely nothing wrong at this point in time with a 4-pole running sensorless. Evidently, as evidenced by this video. Just maybe not the best low speed control. And you know me, I'm always looking for the best. I'm a bit of a snob. Yeah. Very tractable though. Just a little jerky. Well, I could keep crawling with this, but I think that is actually enough for me to know that this is an absolutely fine combo. Micro X on a 2700 kV 4-pole, running 3-cell LiPo, stock gearing on the Element Enduro in this case, and it's good enough. I wouldn't go recommending this to my friends that want to go compete, or really about anybody for the most part, but obviously it's a workable combo. Not really to my levels of what I want to see, but if you don't try it, you never know. That's all I wanted to do today, was just try something out that I would normally never, ever think to do. So there you go. If you do have any questions about this particular setup, or just questions about whatever, let me know what your day is like today. Is it a nice spring day in your area, or what's going on? Yeah, see, I'll just keep crawling. I'll just keep crawling if I don't cut myself off here. So, with you know, this nice turtle, good place to stop. Can't get myself out here, so I do thank you for tuning in. Have a good day.